Go.
Let's go.
Yeah, so we are almost there.
All right.
That's the waterfall.
Okay.
From afar.
Very beautiful.
Yeah, but before we get there, we have to pass through this small cave.
Okay.
Yeah, before we get there. So we are now going to the waterfall, and from the waterfall, then we come down to the natural swimming pool.
Okay.
Yeah. Before we get there as well, we are coming to pass through a cave as well. A serious one, you know.
Serious?
Yeah. So
All right.
keep moving.
Guys, get ready. We are going inside the cave. All right. So,
Yes.
the first bag is going here. There is a video in Lamijana. We are entering the cave, and I'm going in right now. This water region, Aflabo waterfalls.
Okay.
We are going in. The place is very cool, man. Hey, go home.
All right.
I hear you.
So we are here.
You are coming?
Okay.
And they come to next time, bro. The place is very cool, man. What an AC. See the cave. Wow. Beautiful. Woo. Oh. It's very beautiful. See the water. It goes out. Wow.
I'm going to try that.
Yeah, correct, man.
You know what I buy?
Hey, go.